these are the things I can look at and I can test at, and I think you all could do as well if you have your basic tracking system. You have an email autoresponder, and you have some kind of tool that tests your landing pages, so they're coming to your blog, they're seeing some sort of opt-in. You've got 1,000 people visiting your blog a day, you've got 20 of them joining the email list, you've got a conversion rate, and you can take them forward through this process. So the opt-in rate's the next step. Then you've got two things really, email open rate and email click-through rate. So they've reached the point where they're on your email list. Now you're sending them messages. Are they actually opening them, and are they clicking the links in them? And that's important because if they don't, you've got a bottleneck, and that means they're never actually going to see your offer, and they won't convert for a sale. They're not going to see your sales page. They're not going to see the copy, the product you're offering, so they won't buy. So you can go through each of these phases and go, what's not working? Do I not have enough traffic? Is that traffic not opting into my email list? Is that traffic not opening my message? Is that traffic not clicking my links? Is that traffic not buying from my sales page? And you can look at all of those things and test to improve them.